Hey guys, it's Grandma Outdoors 56. We're at Linebrook State Forest and we're walking. Day 47. Video will be out soon. And it's been a crazy day. We had some bugs at the beginning. I had a bug net on. And as I got going, we're in about 3 miles right now. As I got going, it started to rain. It's raining pretty good. There's the creek. You can kind of see the raindrops. It's actually let up a little bit since I stopped to start the video. But we are accomplishing a hike in the forest. We saw some pine forest. We saw some new forest. And we've had a beautiful day. It's May 5th at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And the temperature, well, when I started out was about 72. And it's probably cooled off a little bit. And we're on our way out. This is the way out. Right there. So I hope everybody enjoys the videos. And I did ask another question, but it wasn't part of our game. But if you have any ideas about how to make the shorter, silent parts of my trek more interesting, drop it down in the comments. And we'll try to do something with that on day 48. Everybody have a great day, and may God bless.